Die antwoord kan bereik. That's critical thinking, because you could have said, no, go back and do it again. But you didn't. You adopted that challenge and said, I want to help you get to the right answer. And I'll show you how. Because I remember studying, and all your workings had to be written down. How did you get to X? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, well, question was out of 10 marks. You get 1 for X. Your working is the other 9. Am I right? So I don't know how I got to X. Maybe I checked Danny's work across it. I don't know. That's probably how I can see you nodding your head. Or calculator. But critical thinking is what makes us so efficient. And young people need critical thinking.